Hey guys, welcome to another video. Dusty here. I'm going to be showing you today how to resize a layer within Photoshop. So you may be wanting to know how to resize a text layer, or an image layer, a shape layer, whatever it may be. There's a couple of simple ways of doing this. The best way and the most efficient way, and the way that I like the best, is to just select a layer. As you see here, we have this image of these really cute puppies here. If we select the layer here in the lower right-hand corner of our screen, this is the image layer here. What you're going to want to do is go up to Edit, so go to Edit, and then go to where you see Free Transform, or you can just click Control or Command T, depending on if you're using a Windows or a Mac. And then you're going to see the resizing bars come available to you here, and then you can basically click and hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, and then drag to your heart's content, and then holding down the Shift key allows you to resize the image without it getting distorted. So basically what we do here is if you just resize it normally without holding the Shift key, you're going to see that it gets really rough because it's going to get really smushed, or it's going to get really stretched out because it's, you know, again, Photoshop doesn't lock in. But if you hold down, so if we go ahead and undo that, let's go ahead and undo that one more time, and then go ahead and click the Shift key and then drag out. It doesn't matter what you do. If you don't have a steady hand, it's going to resize the layer perfectly, as far as, you know, not worrying about it being distorted. So go ahead and get the image the way and the size that you want it, and then basically you can click and hold and then drag that guy wherever you want him to be on the screen. Now, the same thing works for a text layer. So if we go here and select the text layer here, we can go to Edit and then go up here to Free Transform, or you can just hit Control T, and then that will open up the resizing option as well. You can click Shift and then resize the text layer just like you did the image layer, and then put the layer wherever you want it on the screen. Now, obviously, you can hit Control T, Command T, Windows or a Mac. So that's really it for resizing a layer in Photoshop. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit Command or Control T if you just want to do it really quickly. And always remember to hold down Shift as you're dragging the corners of the image or the layer. That way you're not going to worry about it getting distorted in the case of you getting a shaky hand. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Hopefully you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more great content and tutorials just like this. And I will see you guys in the next video.